How do you edit files? In this chapter, we will show you how to edit files with Cavok. To edit files, Cavok Work must be installed on your computer. Cavok Work is a small program for Mac and Windows computers that controls the check-in and check-out of files for you. Where do you get Cavok Work from? Possibly, Cavok Work is already installed on your computer. You can recognize it by this little icon. On a Mac, you will find it in the bar at the top. On a Windows PC, in the taskbar at the bottom. If you do not see Cavok Work there, please contact your system administrator. Cavok Work just needs to be installed. It works automatically, and you don't have to care about it. Now, how do you edit a file? Click on the file in Cavok. From the Gear menu, select Edit Asset. Cavok will now download this file to your computer. This may take a few seconds. Then, you will be asked whether you want to edit the file with the default program for this file type on your computer or with another one. Now the file is open for you in the program. You can edit it as usual and save it as usual. When you are done with this, simply close the file. Your edited file is automatically transferred to the Cavok server. A few seconds later, the preview of your file in Cavok will also show the new state. You want to know what is actually happening in the background? This is actually quite simple. The file was transferred from the server to your computer as a copy and opened there. You have edited the file. When you saved in between, you saved to this file on your computer. When you closed the file, it was transferred to the new server. The copy on your computer was then automatically deleted. If you want to place images from Cavok into InDesign, for example, proceed as follows. Select an image by holding down the Alt key. Drag the image onto an InDesign page. The image is placed. By the way, Cavok remembers which images you used where, and displays this in the Detail view under Relations. So you can easily find out which images were used in a layout. This also works the other way around. You can see in which layouts you have used an image. This can be very handy if you want to find obsolete images or images whose rights of use have expired.